The U.S. once again voiced concerns over South Korea's GSOMIA decision. State Department spokesperson Morgan Ortagus tweeted on Sunday that Washington is deeply disappointed and concerned that the nation terminated the intel sharing pact with Japan last week. She also said Seoul's decision will undermine South Korea's state of defense readiness and increase the risk to U.S. forces, that is. Last week, Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Defense Secretary Mark Esper expressed similar sentiment over that decision.